Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, class 4. I'm your subject teacher and the subject is social studies. Dear students, hope you and your family are healthy and safe during these uncertain times. Dear listeners, we read about the 4 provinces in our previous lecture, and let's start to get the further information about these 4 provinces. And the first one is Balochistan, which is on page number 2. Dear students, can you see the Balochistan on the map of Pakistan? Yes, this one is Balochistan on the map of Pakistan. Now get the further information after reading it. It is the largest province of Pakistan, located in southwestern regions of the country. Most of Balochistan is on a plateau called the Balochistan Plateau. Do you know what is plateau? Yes, plateau is a high land rising above the land surrounding it. सतह मुर्तफ़ा कदरे ऊंची उठी हुई ज़मीन का एक चौड़ा या चपटा रकबा होता है जिसको हम सतह मुर्तफ़ा कहते हैं. Can you tell me the other name of plateau? Yes, it is also known as tableland. Why we called it the tableland? The question that is coming in my mind. Yes, because of its resemblance to a table. इसकी resemblance table से मिलती जुलती होती है. That's why we called it tableland. Many hundred of years ago, it may have been mountains, but due to erosion it flat on the top. यानी कि काफ़ी अरसे से इसकी जो हमने कहा है कि ये एक ज़मीन से कदरे ऊंचा उठा हुआ हिस्सा होता है, ये काफ़ी ऊंचा था. बट ड्यू टू इरोजन, व्हाट्स द मीन ऑफ इरोजन हेयर? अम्ले कटाव. लेकिन जैसे ही ज़मीन का अम्ले कटाव स्टार्ट हुआ तो इसने अपनी सतह को कम करना स्टार्ट कर दिया. दैट्स वाई वी कॉल इट प्लेटू. Dry mountains surround the province. The Balochistan Plateau lies to the west of Suleiman Kirthar Range. Kirthar Range is a mountain. There is inadequate rainfall in this region, so it is dry with little vegetation. क्योंकि इस सूबे में बारिश काफ़ी कम होती है, दैट्स वाई यहाँ पे नबातात भी कम ही होती हैं. The Bolan Pass in the Suleiman Range connects Pakistan to Iran. There is a desert region which includes the Makran, Haran and Chegai Desert. There is a 500 km long coastal area. यानी इसमें डेजर्ट्स भी होते हैं. इसमें एक पास है जो ईरान और पाकिस्तान को मिला रहा है. एंड द नेक्स्ट वन हमने जो इसमें पढ़ा है, इसमें है कोस्टल एरिया. What the mean of coastal? The area where land meets the sea or ocean, it's called the coastal area. Coast is also known as seashore or coastal line. यानी समंदर के या पानी के जो पास एरिया होता है वो कोस्टल एरिया होता है. मकरान कोस्ट. कैन यू सी द मकरान कोस्ट हियर? यस, ये मकरान का साहिल है. टुवर्ड्स इट्स साउथ आर कोस्टल प्लेन्स. रिवर हिंगोल, हब एंड दर्स्ट रन थ्रू इट टू फ्लो इनटू द अरेबियन सी. यानी ये सारे रिवर्स अरेबियन सी में जाके फ्लो होते हैं. Students, you can make little question in this province. How can you make questions? Yes, you can make question like this, that define the plateaus. What's the other name of plateau? Which pass connects Pakistan to Iran? Like, I'm giving you the example. How can you make the questions? Which pass connects Pakistan to Iran? You can give the answer Bolan Pass. Bolan Pass connects Pakistan to Iran. It's your task, students. You will make more questions like this on your notebook. And the next province that we are going to read, which is Sindh. Sindh is the third largest province of Pakistan, located in the southeast of the country. A part of the Indus River plain is in Sindh. Parts of Sindh are very fertile. यानी सिंध की जो ज़मीन है वो बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रख़ीज़ है. Because it is irrigated. सिंध की ज़मीन ज़रख़ीज़ क्यों है? क्योंकि यहाँ पे हम आपाशी करते हैं. Now the question that is coming in your mind. So what the teacher is saying, what is irrigation? Irrigation is the artificial application of water to land for the purpose of agricultural production. For example, pipes, canals, sprinklers. यानी मसनूई तरीके से जब हम अपनी फसलों को सैराब करते हैं तो वो आपाशी कहलाती है. The water is taken from the Sakhar and Guddu barrages. The rest is unfit for growing crops because the groundwater coastal contains salt. यानी यहाँ का पानी बहुत ज़्यादा नमकियात वाला है, नमकीन है. That's why the desert region. We are using the term here region. What the region? Region mean इलाका या खिता. Third desert is the desert region. Third desert is dry and barren. Barren mean banjar. Dry mean khushk. Third desert is dry and barren. It has low and high sand dunes. What are dunes? Dunes are hills of sand. Dunes जो होते हैं ये रेत के टीले होते हैं. The wind blows the sand and it piles up to form a dune. They change their shape continuously because of wind. ये अपनी शेप जो है रेत के टीले चेंज करते रहते हैं because of wind, हवाओं की चलने की वजह से. The coastal line is 200 kilometers long. The coastal line has many mangrove swamps which sprang up because of the mixture of the sweet water of the Indus with the salty water of the Arabian Sea. Mancher and Kinjar lakes are two picturesque lakes. इसमें दो झीलें हैं, मांचर एंड किंजेर. यहाँ पे हमने पढ़ा है कि इंदस वाटर ऑफ इंदस, इंदस का जो पानी होता है वो स्वीट होता है, बट द वाटर ऑफ सी, अरेबियन सी, इज सॉल्टी वाटर. स्टूडेंट्स, same like the previous questions, you can make the more questions in this province also. How can you make the questions? I'm giving you the example. Define dunes. आप ये भी कह सकते हैं कि what are dunes? You can give the answer like this. Dunes are hills of sand. Why they change their shape? Because of the wind. यानी जब हवाएं चलती हैं तो इनकी शेप भी चेंज हो जाती है. And the next one question which you can make. Can you see this question? Yes. Which desert is located in Sindh? You can give the answer like this. Third desert is located in Sindh. Dear students, you can make more questions like this. Dear listeners, I look forward to seeing you. Please advise as necessary. We look forward to a successful working relationship in the future.